guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, make sure to subscribe, and if you want to see how I did this look, then just keep watching. So today I'm going to be using the new Love You So Mochi NYX palette. The first shade I'm using is this really pretty blue shimmery shade, and I'm making sure to use some Fix Plus to wet my brush, and by doing that the shade will just come out more vibrant.
I got you on my mind, but something's been done wrong.
Then I'm going in with this bright pink shade, and I'm also wetting my brush again, and I'm mixing it with the blue, that way it turns into a purple.
Sometimes I've been thinking, I'm dreaming of what it could have been besides memory, 'cause I still need you.
Then I'm just taking this really pretty coral shade, and I'm putting this towards the inner part of my eye. Then I'm just taking the purple and pink NYX Vivid liners, and I'm just doing some lines and winging it out. Then for my lower lash line, I'm going in with this icy blue. Then I'm smudging out some of the pink NYX Vivid liner on the lower lash line as well. And I'm just going in with mascara and some false lashes. Then for bronzer, I'm just going in with this one from Wet n Wild. For blush, I'm going in with the shade Justify My Love from Too Faced. For highlight, I'm going in with the middle shade from the Love You So Mochi highlighting palette. Then for my lips, I'm going in with the NYX Powder Puff Lippy.
You are still in my mind. The truth is so hard to find. With all the things that's going on, I lost track, I felt so strong.